The Essential Sound panel can be found under the Window menu. I have down here a particularly noisy clip. Let's have a quick listen. Hi everyone. So let's select that clip. And here in Essential Sound, we have 4 options. We are dealing with the human voice here. So let's click on Dialogue. Let's open up the Repair section and activate Reduce Noise. Now this comes in at 5 by default. Let's have a quick preview of that. Hi everyone. Now that's already doing a fantastic job, but we're not quite there yet. So Reduce Noise is a slider. 0 is no noise reduction. 10 is the max. Again, it comes in at 5 by default. Now I have no problems pushing this option up to around say 6 or 7. I do start to get a little wary though when it's pushed up to around 8 and especially say 9 or 10. Yes, the noise reduction improves dramatically, but also it starts to distort the voice. So basically for each clip, drag this around until you find that sweet spot between noise reduction and improved voice quality. Now this slider can also be dynamically changed during playback. So let's bring this down to 0, and I'm going to play this clip back and change the slider during playback. Hi everyone, it's another hot day today. I hope you can't hear that background fan. Fantastic. Now in this case, something around 7 is working particularly well for this individual clip. What's great is this is all dynamic. So I could close these up, click away, work on something else, save and reopen the project. As soon as I click on this clip just here, all of these options again spring to life and I can make any changes if I need to. To discard any of the edits we made with Essential Sound, simply click on Clear Audio Type, and the clip is now back where it was when we started. I hope that helps you with your noise reduction here in Premiere Pro. Catch you later.